my channel. My name is Addie, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave because that would be amazing. And we're at 257 subscribers right now. So over the summer I will be having 2 videos a week at least because I feel like might as well. So it might be on like Tuesday and Thursday, I believe. But there's just gonna be 2 videos a week. My highlights are kind of glowing. I don't know. So I'm just gonna be having 2 videos every week, which I'm super excited for. Yeet. So today we are filming a birthday haul. My birthday is May 30th, if anybody was wondering. So we went down to Mall of America and we went shopping and spent money because I'm cool. Everybody thinks I'm bragging. I'm really not bragging. I'm just saying this is what I got. We're just gonna get started. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video and we're gonna do swipe even though I'm staying in the same spot. So the first item I am going to start with is, it's just sitting right in front of me, it's so cute, is so I have a Fjällräven Kanken backpack and I have like the 15-inch for my computer because I need more room for my backpack than like this regular size one. So then I got a mini Fjällräven Kanken, which is very basic. I really don't care, in the shade ochre. And I just hang it up on like my wall and it's like a decoration, I don't know the difference, but it's a cute little decoration in my room, and whenever I need it I can just pull it off the wall and be like, I got a little like bag, you know. I got the Bedhead Wave Artist wave thing and I used this to make my hair wavy today. I've always wanted like beachy kind of waves instead of like curls, you know what I mean? So now like I can do waves instead of curls because I like waves way better than curls. The next thing I got was a book, and it was the Milk and Vine book 2, and I just love this. It's so cute. I like just like looking through it because like it just like reminds me of vines, and I just kind of like haha. I'm trying to find, okay. This is so basic and I wanted to find it. Page 32. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. So then like with every vine they have like a little drawing that like was in the video, which is super cute, or like resembles like the video, which I really like and I think is super cute and like creative. So I'm really excited about that, and I have it like up on my bedside table so then I could like read it when I'm bored in bed and I'm like. So I wanted to get a pair of joggers from Lululemon because like I don't have a pair. So I just got like some joggers, and these are the warm down jogger and they're super cute. The Mario Badescu facial spray, and it's the rose water in the green tea one. Get this for my birthday, but like it came in around my birthday, so I'm still counting it. I got this cute swimsuit top from American Eagle, and it's just like a button up, and it's kind of like a vintage retro kind of top, and it like buttons up from the front. I don't know, I think it's super cute, so I got it. Then we went to Tilly's, and we went there and I tried on this shirt, and it's like an off the shoulder, like a shoulderless like top, but it like still covers your shoulders. Then we went to PacSun and I saw this shirt like in the window, and it was a men's shirt, but I really didn't care. And it's just like this pink checkered Vans shirt. And then my mom picked this out and I thought it was like, why not? So then I got this. I didn't actually try it on, so I don't know if it fits, but it's just this cute thing. And I think it's from Brandy Melville. I'm pretty sure it is, but it's just like a cute checkered pattern. And it's just this like blue and white striped kind of cropped shirt because it's summer and I can do that and it's a free country. So screw you. I got just this really cute top, and it's a tank top from Hollister and I liked it, so I bought it. I thought this was super cute. It's just the Calvin Klein like cute pink bra, and I like pink and I wanted a new bra, so I was like, might as well. I got the Eyelure N020 lashes, and I love these. As you can tell, I use them already. I got the e.l.f. hydrating primer. Then I got the Mario Badescu day cream, caviar day cream. Oh my gosh, wait. Whoa, I'm putting fish eggs on my face. And then I got another Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer, and I got it in the shade C5. So Sephora now sells Morphe, which like they have been for a while. I got the Morphe setting spray, and I was like, honey, when I saw this, like, is it a question? I am getting this right now. So I got this, super cute, and I like it, and it actually smells like really good. Like, no one mentions it's the smell, but it just smells so artificial that I like it. So I got more Laura Mercier translucent powder because I got a gift card from my aunt. So then like I went and bought stuff at Sephora because like why wouldn't I, you know what I mean? So I got the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Then my stepsister got me the Divine and Conquer multi-masking sampler kit. So the next thing I got was these sunglasses. Am I retro yet? I think so. So I got these and I thought they were super cute because I was looking for a new pair of sunglasses, and these are from Vans, and I was like, you cute, so I bought them. So then I got a new pair of checkered Vans, which we don't know what those look like, but I had to size up because I'm not a 9 anymore, and my feet were gonna make a hole through the top if I didn't get a new pair. So that was pretty great. And then they didn't have my size in the old school pink Vans because my favorite color is pink. If you guys couldn't tell, wait, you haven't seen a room tour, so you guys cannot tell that my favorite color is pink, but yeah, my favorite color is pink, and so I found the old school cute Vans, and they're super cute and comfortable, and I wanted them, and they didn't have them in stock at the Vans store, and I was like, really? So we ordered them online. And then the next thing I got, I'm wearing them right now because they're comfortable. I got the Adidas Slide. The last thing I got, I have to stand up for this. Okay, wow. I got this cute ottoman. So I put it right where I film. Like, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up down below, and make sure to check out the down bar because I always have information about like things to follow, like my Spotify, Instagram. I never post on my Instagram, but this summer I will be posting a lot more because I don't have a life and I need to post, and yeah. So I will be posting more on that, and if you guys want more videos from me, again, thumbs up, subscribe, obviously that'll tell me that you guys want more videos from me. And yeah, so make sure to comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Nobody ever does, but just comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.